In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the headlight ballast module in this BMW X5. This is going to be located behind the front headlights. Let's get into it. Open up the liftgate right under the BMW emblem. Just push the button. In the lower tailgate, we're just going to push this button and it slides down. We're going to pull up this panel, take the handle, you want to push down there, pull it up. Turn it at an angle and pull it out. You can see the spare tire. In the back there's a handle with some straps. Pull that up and then we're going to close the tailgate. We're going to pick that up. It's going to attach where the lift glass goes in, or the lift gate. And then you just rock this forward. That pulls the spare tire right up. Grab that, slide it out of your way. Now disconnect the negative cable. It's over here. Use a 10mm wrench or a socket. Loosen that up. Grab the terminal and set it to the side. It's important before you start this job to disconnect the battery and have the lights off. There is high voltage in this system, so you don't shock yourself. Make sure you disconnect the battery. We're going to remove this trim piece right here. You want to just grab on the inside, just give it a little tug. It's clipped in, and then it's clipped in right about here. Just pull it forward. And then on the back, just slide this off. Just slides off. There's a slot right there. Using an 8mm socket, we're going to take these screws out. On the inside, there's two screws. Use the same 8mm socket. Take these out. You can use a magnet if you need to. And there's another one right here. Down below here, use a 8mm socket. There's two screws. Take those out. I'm just going to use a magnet. Take those out. And right there. Use the magnet, pull that out. And we'll just grab the assembly, slide it forward. And we're going to disconnect the connectors. You can see this bracket is separated from the headlight assembly. That's okay. Disconnect that connector. This one over here, push down. And connector right here. And one more connector over here. Pull that off. I'm going to take this cap right off here. There's a couple tabs on the side. You want to push those in right there. This one is broken. And this cover will slide back. Then we want to take this cover off. Use a T20 socket. Take these screws out. grab the cover, slide that off. And you can disconnect the connector, just twist it to the left, slide it out. That comes out. There's a ground wire right here. Just grab the ground wire, disconnect that, separate the light. For this module, there is high voltage involved in this. Do not touch any of the terminals and do not take this apart. You could get shocked and you don't want to get shocked and get hurt. We're going to take this screw out right here. Use a T20 socket. Pull that up. You pull the module out, and there it is. Take the ballast module, slide it under the bracket, and get this lined up. Put the screw in. Snug that down. Need to make sure this seal is good. Make sure there's no cracks in it. It's a good idea to replace it. Slide that through. And then we'll attach this to the headlight. Twist to the right. Get that lined up. And put the screws in. Snug that down. And snug the other ones down. That's good. Slide the boot over. Take the lock, get this lined up, and push it down. Lock it in place. Take the ground, attach that to the clip and get this lined up. Just slide that in place and you can reinstall it in the vehicle. Connect the connectors. Lock it in. For the base, we're just going to slide this off the light, push that in a little bit, then get the top part lined up. And get the base lined up in the right spot. Then slide the top part of the headlight back on. Take the lower screws. I'm going to use a magnet just to help out. Get that lined up. those started and then tighten those down. Up top, put these bolts in and tighten these down. And the ones down below, snug these down. There you go. I'm going to take this cover and slide this in, get that lined up. And push this part in right there. Make sure this is lined up over here. And lock it in place. Take the negative terminal and attach it to the battery. Tighten it down. And give it a wiggle, make sure it's tight. That's good. Now grab the attachment for the spare tire. This back in the lift gate. Push the spare tire in place. That's good. I'm gonna fold this back. Pull the handle. Just push this back a little bit. And just rest that in place. And put the lift gate down. And take the cover. Get that lined up. Push it in place. And close up the tailgate. And close up the lift gate. And you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.